In the last episode of our adventure, we had our first camp and it was a very nice beach. After a quick review to our plan, we were ready to have some good times. Sceneries were beautiful at every corner, and that was something very promising to begin with. It didn't take long time before hitting our first off-road trail by descent down to a hidden beach. It was really spectacular. You don't find such a place every day. Level of adventure was up by taking some epic trails goes high on the mountains. Views were fantastic everywhere trail goes, and by adding fog to the mixture, it was really out of this world. After spending the morning time on the mountains, it was time to go back on the roads again and to move forward to next stage of our adventure. We are driving the coastal road that goes to the town of Khasab. Driving this way could be a very nice road trip for non-four-wheelers. Beautiful views are along the way, with several parking areas and one large open beach. Beyond the town of Khasab, we are entering this wadi to begin next stage of exploration. Then we are looking for a spot under the shadow to stop for a lovely lunch break. It is now time for some serious stuff. This trail is called Jabal As-Sih trail because As-Sih is the name of the mountain and the village ahead. I have some unfinished business with this trail from my previous trip to Musandam. You can find the link for this episode in the description below. So this is what's supposed to be a trail. It is totally washed out by the rainwater.
You can see from this one, you can see how much strong was water flow. So that's mean it's gonna be the end of our trail.
Now I'm so happy to leave that moment of bad luck behind and to have a second chance to explore the area. By the afternoon, we are approaching the village of Asih. It does really worth to stop here for a while, check the place and enjoy looking to this beautiful mosaic of green. Some images by Google shows the village might have snow in the winter. Epic would be the word to describe this trail. Steep climbs, sharp turns and slippery faces, but nothing very risky and no major obstacles. The signboard here explains that we are not allowed to go any further, so it might be the end of the trail for us, but not the end of our adventure. It is still early for camping, so we are roaming around a little bit looking for some beautiful views. We are so lucky to find one of the best camping spots ever. Quiet, nice area of grass surrounded by trees and beautiful views was the perfect end of the epic day. It was just a little bit cold at night on 1400 meters of sea level, but campfire have taken care of that and made it just a very cozy place for us.